guys, it's been a minute. So get your homemade fries ready. You can use store-bought fries. We'll use curry powder, porcine sauce blend, I love that, paprika, pilau masala. This is onion powder, some salt. I use Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, tomato ketchup. You can also use tomato sauce, ground ginger and garlic, and chicken cube, nor chicken cube. So into your pan, pot sufuria, add in your oil and start frying your onions like that. You can also add in spring onions. I didn't have any at the time. Then once they start turning translucent, you add in your ground ginger and garlic. So for this you need to use fresh because the aroma is more tantalizing when they are fresh. So keep stirring until it turns translucent like that. Don't burn your onions. So you start adding in your spices in whatever format or whatever sequence. The other option is mixing all these spices together in a separate bowl and then just throwing that in. But for the sake of the length of this video, I wanted to throw them in one by one, as you can see. Well, I'm not very good with voiceovers, but there's always a first time or second time for everything, right? So I'm using 2 teaspoons of these spices. So I just did the curry powder, then the paprika, pilau masala. You know, these old school sufurias do a great job, yeah? I know if you're a millennial, you know what I mean. Black pepper, a star of the meal, the Nor chicken cube. It gives the food or your chips masala a different feel, yeah? You're eating fries, but it's not fries. You're eating masala fries, but it's not masala fries. Just, oof, amazing. So once you're done, you get your homemade fries ready. And then throw them in. So again, my spices and the number of onions and everything that I used was totally dependent on the amount of chips masala I wanted to make. So if you want to make more, you need to add more to your ingredients. If you're making less, then reduce the spice quantity. So I just added in a dollop of ketchup. So you can also use tomato sauce. If you want, you can use a mushroom soy sauce, which is optional for that umami flavor. But I wanted to keep this as simple as possible. So for color, I forgot to mention, I'll add in fresh coriander, like that. Though it also smells amazing, yeah? Sorry, my voice is a bit hoarse. It's flu time. So there you go. Some salad, sausage, and homemade chips masala. Thank you for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe.